Hi guys, Bhavik here, and this is the unboxing of the Dell Xps 9570. I recently bought the XPS a couple of days ago, and now it finally came in the mail. So let's have a look at what's inside the box, and let's see my first impressions of the device. Let's go ahead. So starting with the box, it's quite a simple Dell box. I mean, nothing really special about it. Let's just get into this unboxing experience. Toss that aside. So let's see in this smaller box here. Let's go inside here. So we have a regular the AC adapter from Dell. So this is just the front part and this is the back part. If you use a Dell laptop, you've probably seen one of these before. They look extremely similar. In this package, you just have the wire that goes into this part. That goes into the plug. Nothing really special about that. So the Dell XPS I got includes the i7-8750 6-core processor that's new this year. It has 8 gigs of RAM and also includes a NVIDIA 1050 Ti graphics card with 4 gigs of dedicated RAM. So this is probably the presentation box here. And there we are, so a very simple Dell box, black with a small Dell logo in the front, nothing too special about it. Opening it up, and then we have the XPS itself. Just like that. So we have some warranty and quick start guide that Dell includes into the box, quite basic stuff. And then we have the actual XPS laptop right here. So this amazing aluminum body with dash of silver all around the back and the front. Let's open this up and see how it is. And there we are. As soon as we open it up, you can see the thin bezels that really makes this device stand out from the rest of the competition in the market. In 2018, I must say there's more companies with thinner bezels, but Dell with the XPS is probably the first company to actually do it in a well-to-do body. We get the Dell keyboard at the bottom, it's traditional keyboard. Nothing too fancy about that. Of course, the Dell XPS is one of the laptops that have the webcam at the bottom of the device. If you use video conferencing a lot, it is kind of a negative thing about a device. But if you're like me who barely touched the webcam ever, then you don't really care, to be honest, where the webcam is, as long as it's there, just in case you need it. Put it up, let's see if there's any juice in it. And we should soon see the Dell logo. Nice Dell logo in the front there. So this is the 1080 screen, and then I choose the 4K option. The 4K option of course costs more than the regular version of the XPS. But other than that, I must say the carbon fiber at the bottom of the device really makes it look classy laptop to use. It's small, it's a 15.5 inch screen, but because of the thin bezels, the entire laptop feels extremely smaller compared to some other regular 15-inch laptops you see in the market today. So port selection on the XPS is actually quite amazing. On the port side, we have a regular headphone jack right there, and then we have the awesome Type-C Thunderbolt 4 lanes of PCI that you can get from this single port. Of course, the previous version of the Dell XPS only had 2 lanes of PCI Express support, which means that you can really maximize the usage of what the Dell can accomplish using the single port. but Dell did improve it with the 9570, and because of that you can connect eGPUs, a display, and much more of the stuff that you don't really expect from other ports on the device. We also get an HDMI port and another USB Type 3 port right over here. Of course, this is where the AC adapter usually sits and charges the laptop. On the back, nothing really flat, and it's very clean. On the other side, we have another USB port, a regular SD card holder, and that's about it. The Xps is thin, it's very thin, it's very light and portable. I mean, I don't really feel the weight of a 15.5 inch laptop. So as I mentioned before, this XPS does have only 8 gigs of RAM, something that I really wanted at 16, so I probably will upgrade it soon. So look forward to that video coming up shortly when I actually take out the 8 gigs of RAM in this laptop and put 16 into it to make it much more faster and efficient to use on a daily basis. Look forward to watching a review, an in-depth review of the XPS as I look at the core features and other stuff that really makes Dell XPS a great laptop to buy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you on our next video. Cheers.